Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we're going to help you troubleshoot a wobbly miter saw blade, and we'll show you the 6 main problems that can cause this. For each problem, we'll provide a link in the description below to a full repair video so you can get your miter saw fixed and get back to work. Let's get started. Keep in mind that blade wobble issues are usually measured in hundredths of an inch. Rarely will the blade wobble be visible, so the best way to detect a wobble is poor cut quality and vibration in your saw. Problem number 1, bad bearings. In addition to a wobble, bad ball bearings can cause a grinding sound and vibration. To check the bearings for signs of wear or damage, remove the outer flange, the blade, and the inner flange, and replace the bearings if necessary. Problem number 2, damaged bushing. Wobbling can happen when the bushing is cracked, chipped, or warped. To inspect it, remove the outer flange and blade. The bushing is the inner flange that secures the saw blade. Problem number 3, worn flange or clamp. A damaged or warped outer flange or clamp won't make proper contact on the blade, causing a wobble. Remove the flange, inspect it for damage, and replace it if necessary. Problem number 4, warped or bent saw blade. A blade is typically bent by the user binding the blade in a workpiece, or by the blade being struck by a workpiece, or by another tool in transport. You may find that the blade is already warped if it is generally pretty cheap or low quality. Remove the blade and place it on a flat surface for inspection. If you notice any warping, be sure to replace it immediately. Problem number 5, warped blade washer. If your washer is warped, it's likely a defective washer that came right from the manufacturer, as opposed to becoming warped during use. Regardless, remove the outer flange, blade, and inner flange to give the blade washer a proper inspection and replace it if necessary. Problem number 6, worn out wear plate. If the wobble is coming from the base, this is likely the cause. You can find the wear plate between the base of the saw and the saw itself. Inspect it for signs of excessive wear or damage and replace it if necessary. Thanks for watching. Remember, you can check out our full repair videos for each of these problems in the description below, and if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.